Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into another video by yours truly, Octavia.Darling. As you read by the title of this video, I will be showing some products that I purchased from Loclicious. I don't remember all the products that I purchased, but I wanted to do a huge haul to show what products I was interested in and what products I'll be trying out and later reviewing. So make sure you keep watching this video to see what's inside this box right here. We're going to unbox it together. But happy June, everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. I hope you're feeling good. We are halfway through 2022. Can you believe that time is going by so fast? Because I personally cannot. Like, what is time when you really think about it? What is time? I always tell people I have no conception of time because time is literally a mental thing. It's what you make it out to be. But anyways, I am feeling bright. I am feeling lovely. I am feeling happy. I am feeling just overall joyous. I am actually recording this video on my late grandmother's birthday, June 2nd. May she rest in eternal peace. My beautiful Gigi, I love you so much. But I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great, and I'm ready to hop into this video. So let's get to it. Okay, first thing first, I just noticed this, but I love how her tape says Loclicious. Like, that's what you call branding, okay? I can definitely appreciate that. But I'm here about to open this box up. I almost don't even want to damage the tape, to be honest, but open up this box. So lately I was like, you know, I really want to start reviewing some products, especially black owned products for your natural hair and your locks, just to support other businesses and to also just find new products that works for me. Because for the longest I have just been using Napstar products, which has been really great. I've never done an official review on their products, but I will be doing that video soon. Just a heads up. But I just finished using their products, kind of ran out of what I was using, and I was in a position where I'm like, I do want to purchase something completely different, and I came across Loclicious on Instagram. The first and I think only review that I've ever seen on their products is by a YouTuber. I believe her name is Locs. I will include her information below. But I watched her video and I really like how detailed she was in her review. And I said, you know what, I actually want to try this product for myself, this brand for myself. So I went online and purchased some things. Okay, so I have the box open. Let me show you what it looks like for packaging purposes, which is super cute. Hope you guys can see that. I love when, you know, small businesses and black owned businesses really go all out with their packaging. Makes it very personal, and I don't know, I just like that kind of stuff. I'm into marketing and everything, so it really interests me. But what comes inside right when I see it is general product instructions, and it says thank you for your order, Loclicious, and have her social media information here. But on the back there's general product instructions. Wash your locks, hair prior to using the Loc Moisturizer for best results. Use the rose water hydration mist at any time to rejuvenate. And it has some other details here below that I'll get into when I'm actually using the product. So I like this. This is like an informational card. This is very useful. So points for that. Okay. Let's see here. So I can tell by the bottle, I believe that this is the rose water hydration mist. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at the packaging. Look at the label. Come on, this is so nice. I love the black bottle. I love the spray bottle, how it works. You know, I know this will come out as more so of a mist other than like an actual spray. So I'm excited about that. But like I said, this is the rose water hydration mist. This is a lightweight lock and hair mist, free of residue and harmful chemicals. So the ingredients in this product it includes rose water, aloe vera leaf juice, jojoba oil, organic castor oil, organic hemp seed oil, vegetable glycerin, vitamin E oil, organic virgin olive oil, argan oil, horsetail extract, sunflower solab oh my gosh, I can't say the word, y'all. I'm gonna include the ingredients below, but some other ingredients is included in this. To unlock, twist the lever under the spray cap to the left or right. Spray Loclicious rose water hydration mist on locks or loose natural hair for daily hydration. So you don't have to have locks to use this product. You can just have loose natural, which is awesome. But yeah, this is free of harmful chemicals, sulfates, wax, silicones, parabens, mineral oils, pegs, and dyes and some other things, which is awesome. So I'm so happy that I got this product because I'm always moisturizing my locks, and that is a great rose water light mist that I can use on my locks, and I'm sure it is. Okay, moving along, we have the clarifying and moisturizing shampoo. This is what the bottle looks like. This is the size, which I'm very happy with the bottle sizes, by the way. But so this is lightweight and residue free clarifying and moisturizing shampoo. Some of the ingredients included are distilled water, glycerin, we have green tea extract, tea tree essential oil, and some other all natural fragrance oils are included, which is awesome. This also has some very detailed instructions on how to use this product, so I can't wait to get into this. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so I also purchased the Loclicious growth oil for locks and all hair types. This is a lightweight lock and hair oil free of residue and harmful chemicals. Can I just pause for a second? Just want to say I appreciate how this is designed, how her label is designed, because it tells you what the product is, what it's used for, and what its purpose, meaning it's a lightweight lock and hair oil. I appreciate that all this information is on the front. But the kind of ingredients that's included in this oil is black seed oil, sweet almond oil, emu oil, castor oil, brahmi oil, horsetail extract, cedarwood oil, amla oil, bergamot oil, hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, come on with the oils, argan oil, and all natural essential oil fragrance blends. This is awesome. I can already tell that this is going to smell good. I think I'm gonna open this right now just to see. Oh, and it has a natural seal on there, which is great, but it looks like a little bit is at the top. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it is, oh my gosh, this is lightweight. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this for real. Come on with the packaging. I can appreciate good packaging, y'all. Like, I don't see no leaks in this box or anything like that, so kudos for the packaging for real. Okay, and I have one more item left here. I also purchased the Loc and Twist moisturizer. So this is a lightweight moisturizer free of residue and harmful chemicals. I believe that this can be used for retwisting, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's why I purchased this. But so some of the ingredients that's in this is distilled water, aloe vera leaf juice. There's also hemp oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and some additional all natural essential oil fragrance blend plus more. So this is also free of harmful chemicals such as sulfates, wax, silicones, parabens, mineral oils, pegs, and dyes, and some other things. She also has instructions on how to use. So let's see what the instructions are. It says to apply a small amount of the Loclicious Loc and Twist moisturizer to clean locks or loose hair near your scalp. Use fingertips to palm roll, comb, coil, or two-strand twist hair. So what I'm getting from this is you can use this. This is kind of maybe like a multi-purpose kind of product, because you can use it to lock your hair. I'm thinking you can use it to start your locks if you don't have locks already. But it says it's great for retwist, interlocking, two-strand twist, palm rolling, and comb coils. So if you're not locked and you're just a loose natural, you can use this to do a cute two-strand twist on your hair, and maybe this will give you a great twist out. But I'm interested in seeing how this product looks because I've tried a few different retwist products on my hair, and I can tell by the texture of the product if it's going to do well for my hair or not. So let's see. Okay. Woo, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, I wish you all can smell this. This kind of, I can really smell the argan oil in this, and also the aloe vera. I can really smell it. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see this. I can't really tilt it over because it's very liquidy in a way. Let's see. This is how lightweight it is, but you can tell that it has oil and it's like a jelly texture as well. So got a little bit on my nose, but I don't know, this smells so good. I don't know, I'm very interested in seeing how this works on my hair texture. But kudos to you, Loclicious, for the amazing packaging. I mean, I love the colors, the red, black, and green. I love it. I love the logo. Very cute. And I'm glad that I got these ounces. So the growth oil is an 8-ounce bottle. So is the clarifying and moisturizing shampoo, 8 ounces, and the rose water hydration mist, this is also 8 ounces, and the Loc and Twist moisturizer, this is 8 ounces. So I got 8 ounces bundle. I'm trying to remember what's the name of the bundle that I got. Oh, perfect. So I purchased the Loc Moisturizing Haircare Bundle with clarifying and moisturizing shampoo. So this is the Loc bundle. If I'm not mistaken, I believe I paid around $75 for this bundle, which I'm not going to say it's pricey, because when it comes to hair products in general, they can be a little bit pricey, especially when you're getting like an 8 ounce compared to some products that I've used before with other brands, where it's like more so of a 4 ounce or a 6 ounce bottle, like half this size. So I think for the sizes that I purchased, the $75 is not a bad price, especially because it comes with like a full hair care system, if that makes sense. I mean, I have a hydration mist, I have a clarifying shampoo, I also have a growth oil, and I also have the Loc and Twist moisturizer. So for $75 and a hair bundle like that, I think that's a pretty good price. I feel like these products are going to last me for maybe about 2 to 3 months, which is good, because I'll be able to show you all how each product works on my hair type, my hair texture, and for my locks, and the styles that I'll be doing, and so on. And I will be giving my honest review on those. So stay tuned, continue to watch my videos, continue to support, and you will see that. But that concludes this video for today. Thank you for watching. I really wanted to show off this product haul from Loclicious, and I'm so excited to use their products. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment down below if you use this product, this brand before, these products before, anything from Loclicious. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Comment below any products that you think that you'll like to see me try and do some videos on. I'm always open to hearing your ideas and your suggestions, because that helps with my content. And it helps me to produce content that I know that you'll like to watch. So as usual, if you're not, make sure you're following me on Instagram. You can follow me at Octavia.Darling. Keep up with me on TikTok at Octavia.Darling. Also on Pinterest at Octavia.Darling. And I'll just make sure I can include my socials below so that you all can keep in touch with me and I can keep in touch with you. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.